Why is this Tamil Nadu Medical Council member election is important? You should understand, totally 10 members. Out of that, 3 members are nominated by Government of Tamil Nadu. 7 members are elected. And this election process is for electing 7 members. Of those 7 members, these 7 members, elected members, will elect a president and a vice president. This is the process. Now, you should understand, Tamil Nadu Medical Council is not only for registration of your degrees or getting the license to practice, or for registering additional qualification or CME creditors. It's much beyond that. Today, in a clinical practice, whenever there is a deferred outcome or an unexpected outcome or a complication during treating a patient, the treating doctor and the hospital is responsible for that, becomes responsible for that. In an eventuality, the attendants or the owners of the patient can register a complaint to Tamil Nadu Medical Council. So, when a complaint comes to Tamil Nadu Medical Council, the Tamil Nadu Medical Council asks for an explanation from you. And if the explanation is not satisfactory, then they can send you a show cause notice. The show cause notice is not satisfactory, they can send a summon to the treating consultant or the doctor or the hospital institution where he belongs to. And after that, they are not satisfied, they can ask you to come for a disciplinary committee for direct explanation. In case they are not happy with that, they can take a decision to suspend from the medical practice for varied period, depending on what they consider as a punishment. It could be for 6 months to 1 year or 2 years or whatever the time period they consider is fit enough. And also, they have powers to close the institution where you work from. So, it is that important and that serious. What we should understand is, no doctor or no institution here is for a complication or for a bad outcome. Every doctor and a consultant and a practicing doctor and institution want to have good results and good outcome. But unfortunately, things which are not in the hands of the treating doctor or the institution can go wrong. And if it goes wrong, then it becomes a very difficult situation. Understand that. Every day is not the same. And in a difficult situation, the entire process is handled by these 10 members. Out of this, 7 members plus 3 members plus the president and vice president will decide what punishment has to be given to the treating doctor and to the institution if it is involved as a vicarious liability he belongs to. And that could be any form of punishment which I have mentioned here. So that means we are electing our judges. These 10 members are judges to us. They are typically as large as a court of law. This is a typical court. And we are electing our judge. And the president is the chief justice for us. So this election is very important. Understand this. This election is very important. And you are electing your judge and rest of all the judges next to him as a council members. And you should elect a right person. Now, hope you understand this. So, the ballot paper, according to the notification what the council has given, Tamil Nadu Medical Council, the dispatch of ballot paper, they said it will happen from 19th of December. It is not e-voting, online voting. It is a postal ballot system which has happened last year. The same is continued here according to the council. And 19th of December, they will dispatch, and after that it can reach your designated address what you have given during your registration in the council or in the update. And from that date till 19th of January 5 p.m. you have time to post it back to the Tamil Nadu Medical Council in Pundamalli High Road in Chennai. So this process is very important. So kindly do not hand over your ballot paper to anyone without choosing your members and choosing the 7 members whom you want to choose. Kindly choose, spend some time. This is very, very important. I request all of you, once you receive the ballot paper, immediately you mark all the 7 members whom you want to choose. There be a team or individual member, whomever you want to choose, kindly choose. That's very, very important that they will decide what we have to undergo in our difficult times. So if you don't choose your right person and right members and right council and right president, tomorrow we'll all be into soup. I'm telling you. So I request, once again, I request you to spend 1 or 2 minutes. It may not be taking more than 1 or 2 minutes. Choose the right members and kindly repost it. And somebody is asking you for ballot papers, mark all the 7 members and give the ballot paper to them. Yes. And if they want to receive, let them receive. They can post on your behalf. But don't give ballot paper to anyone without marking the 7 members. That's my request. whomever you want to choose, whomever you're comfortable that you want to elect them as your members and your president, yes, you have to do it. All 150,000 doctors have to vote this time. This is my request. It's very, very important. So we need to decide the right president is a judge, is a chief justice to us tomorrow, to what we have to do and what they will have to do with us. So it's our responsibility and it's our right, and we have to execute properly. So this video is made for that. I request all of you to spend some time and to cast your vote and choose the right council and the right president. Thank you.